What's up, guys? It is Saturday. I thought I would vlog a little bit today. I think you can hear like people outside my window, but anyways, I went for a run. I was just doing some work stuff this morning, just putting together my laundry and stuff, and I seriously feel like I'm getting sick. I feel like you can kind of hear it in my voice, but I sneezed like 10 times, and I just feel like, I don't know, it might be allergies though, because sometimes I get allergies when I run outside. I don't know, sometimes it's weird. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue with my workout. I'll insert my workout here, like you can follow my Instagram if you want. I usually post that stuff. But yeah, and then after that, I'm planning to clean my room, and so I'll just bring you guys along with me today, but yeah. I'm just gonna take some of my medicine. It's called IB Guard. It's for my stomach. Before I eat, I should have these. I don't have them all the time, but it's good to have them if my stomach feels a bit uneasy and I'm about to eat. So I'll just do it like 30 minutes to like an hour and a half before I eat. Hey, I just changed my outfit again. I kind of felt like I was literally just getting really tired for some reason. I kind of feel like I'm getting sick. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. I'm putting some sunscreen on because I'm about to head out to get some groceries, and I get a little bit nervous like trying to vlog in public, but whatever, we're gonna do it, okay? We're gonna push ourselves. We're gonna do it. Oh, okay. Did I even put deodorant on? Okay, I'm about to head out to the grocery store. Like I said, I still feel kind of like my throat is a bit not the greatest, but I live like alone with my roommate, so it's not like I can have someone else go get my groceries for me. Like, yeah, no thanks. So I'm just gonna wear a mask and go in. And yeah, I wrote down exactly what I need and all that, so let's just go ahead and get going. Okay, so I made it in, and it's pretty good. Again, I'm wearing this because like I'm coughing and stuff, so I don't want to like put anything on other people. But right now I'm just looking at some protein bars, and usually I get like the Cliff ones, but I feel like I wanted to try something else, so I might do that. I've tried this before, and this one is pretty good, so I think I'll get a few of these. Looking for a can opener. I literally cannot find one anywhere, but I always forget it when I go shopping. Found this red one. Finished that. Oh my gosh. I'm like so hot in here. It is really hot, and you know, like getting stuff done with a mask on is like tough because it feels like you're kind of hyperventilating. So shout out to all the healthcare workers who wear it all day. Whew. Oh, I should not have touched my nose, but let's sanitize. Okay, where shall we go next? Let's go home and put all the stuff away. And I haven't eaten properly yet. Like I didn't show you guys, but I had some like guacamole with chips. So I think I'll go home and actually eat the food I made and make a little salad beside it and show you guys what I got. So I'm just pouring some of the food that I made earlier. It's just rice that I had left over in the fridge. I added it to like mixed vegetables, fish, and arugula, and a little bit of spices. And yeah, and then I have some salad over here. I'm just working on this. So it's just like this little design that we created for our school, and there's like 2 versions of it, and I'm just working on editing this. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go get some ice cream. I'm still feeling like my head is a bit warm, and I don't know, it's just like I have a fever or something. But I think ice cream would help. My throat doesn't really hurt, but it feels a little bit like it's starting, like my voice is starting to change a bit, so I don't know, I hope this isn't anything serious, but I'm about to go get some ice cream with my roommate, and it's currently 8:30. Kind of late, but I got outside and I realized it's a bit cold, and then I just like randomly grabbed this jacket, and I forgot that I'm wearing jeans, so I'm like, weird outfit, dude. Like, I forgot. Look, it's empty. But I got a McFlurry, and my roommate got a sundae. Just about to take my medication, my one that I have to take before bed. These are all for my stomach because I've been having like, I don't know, lots of issues. We're gonna have to figure out what it is. My doctor has me doing a colonoscopy soon, so we'll figure it out. But in the meantime, I have to take these. And then I think I'm gonna finish off a movie that I was watching with my friend the other day. I'm just gonna have this apple with 2 of these oranges, and then the end of this movie. It's called, what is it called? Selfless.